Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, driver and passenger front seat mounted and rear side impact airbags, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, Duralife 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. Cars.com remarks, "The Cruze takes to the curves ably with a competent suspension and good body control." Chevy, 100 years of icons. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.